Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice 6-drawer dresser with a mirror that we're going to redo with our Dixie Belle Soft Pink. We're going to take out the mirror, we're going to paint the frame, we're going to take off all the hardware, and we'll get this thing transformed into a nice piece for a little girl or a nursery. Alright, our first step is to remove all the hardware, and then we can pull the drawers out, we can look at the tracks on it, make sure they're all clean and good. We'll start going from there. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take the back off the mirror so we can pull the mirror out. The mirror needs to get removed because the mirror and the paint needs to go up underneath the lip so you won't see the old paint. So let's take all the staples out and let's get this party started.
Alright, so Brant has sanded it down a little bit, just kind of some rough spots. Again, with chalk paint, you don't have to sand, but we like to smooth out parts of our products. We are going to take out with the blue and in with the new. So we're going to go with our Dixie Belle Soft Pink paint. It's getting a little warm out today for Arizona, so I'll probably try to get the first layer on outside, but then we have to probably move it into the garage. In Arizona, the chalk paint dries super fast, so if your product's super warm, it's going to dry instantly as it's going on. So kind of keep that in mind depending on where you are in the States, putting on your chalk paint. But we are going to get the first layer on this, and then also the mirror and the drawers. I think it's going to be perfect for a little girl's room because it's kind of a little bit shorter in height, so it'll be perfect for her to be able to get her clothes in and out and just start growing up to be an awesome young lady. So follow along as we finish up this project today, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so we went to go put the first layer on and it was just way too hot to touch, so we moved it into the garage. So we're going to go ahead and get that first layer on and then show you the rest of the steps. On this, obviously different clothes, but we're gonna stick with the garage. It's 55 degrees outside, and to me that's cold. It's early in the morning, but we gotta get projects done. So we're gonna get the second layer on, then we'll clear coat it, put the hardware on, and show you the finished product. So follow along, let us know what you think at the end.
Alright guys, I made my wife do a lot of work on this, and I'm actually going to take most of the credit by just putting a clear coat on it. We're going to use Dixie Belle's Clear Coat Flat, nice and easy. We're just going to coat it on, let it dry, and then we can put the hardware on, get it under the tree, or maybe even back here for some nice pictures and get this thing up for sale. So let's start clear coating it. Alright. So we have our pattern, we're going to put our hardware in, get it all put together, get it under the tree, and then we can get those final pictures taken. Alright guys, here it is completed. Soft Pink by Dixie Belle. We used their clear coat also. Supervisors have already checked it over and they seem to like it. It's going to look great in somebody's house, hopefully maybe even a nursery. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep putting out some great videos for you guys. All right, supervisors, let's get back to work.